One question I normally get during the whole process of training is how how much does a gap affect in terms of your getting admission to college? I mean, if I have a gap, is there no chance of getting into a B school? Well, it varies. The whole concept of gap sort of varies from person to person, individual to individual. So I have also known people who got into IIM Ahmedabad with 2 years gap. So it's possible, right? It's not that even you can get in top B school provided you have good acads, good marks in the exam, etc. I've also known people with 5 years work ex, almost no experience at all, getting into top college like MDI. Possible. Okay, 5 years experience. Gap. And the gap was valid because I was training for the government exams. But yes, there was a 5 years gap and getting into MDI Gurgaon. And maybe a lot of other top colleges, right? So yes, so gap is not that if you have a gap you cannot get into a B school. It's a very wrong notion on that. You can definitely, provided you show your skill set. Because if you understand the whole admission process, they will shortlist you not based on your gap. They'll shortlist you based on your score in the entrance exam, your 10, 12 graduation percentage, and so on. Their criteria. Gap is never a criteria of shortlisting the students. Once shortlisted, you're in an interview. In an interview, you show your mettle, show them that you're good enough, show that you can, do well. As long as you can prove that in an interview, I'm sure you'll get selected. That's what the student did. I mean, people, person 5 years gap. He prepared in the interview so that he could show that he was good enough and went about cracking the interview. Not that he was exceptionally brilliant or someone on that aspect. He tried for some examination, government exam, couldn't get through, but ensured that he prepared well for the interview and went ahead with it. Right? So gap is not a no-no completely. It is preferable not to have a gap. Obviously, it's always preferable if you have a work experience beforehand and then go about preparing for the exam. But yes, having a gap is not a complete no-no. It's always possible to get into a B school even if you have a gap. Okay. Also, post your B school, it depends upon how good you are as an individual. If you perform well in the industry, you can do really well. So I know of one of my student who had a huge gap. I think 2 years gap before his 12th, then 2 years gap somewhere around after his graduation, 3, 4 years gap. Got into a good B school, and I remember meeting him in an alumni party where he was some director, one of the big startups as such. I'm doing really well. So post that also, gap will not matter as long as you perform well in the industry. So don't worry about gap as of now. Okay, if you're close to examination, don't worry about gap. Focus on the CAT and prepare for the CAT and write the CAT exam. If you're looking at CAT next year, 22, then my suggestion is take a work experience of 6 months or at least. So you still have time after 6 months to prepare for the exam. Normally, preparing for CAT doesn't require, I mean, even if you're at home for 5, 6 months, you can easily prepare for CAT properly. I hope that helps.